Well, hey there, this is Bill667 with a new project. I'm going to be working on a Remington Model 11. This one is a pretty old model. It's really in very good shape. There's some nicks and dings on the stock. I do not see any splits or cracks, but we'll take it apart and take a good look at it. And it looks like someone has shortened the stock. There's a spacer in here, and a lot of people did shorten the stocks on their shotguns, generally because of a hunting coat. Back in the day, it'd be pretty thick and made it easy to shoulder the gun. Little bit of light rust on the receiver, but the gun itself is in really good shape. So we will. I'll get some close-ups of it, and then we will get to work on it and get this restored and get her looking pretty again. So this will be in my next project. And if anyone, of all the firearms I've done, if there's something you wanted to see, specifically with the side plate off or something, because trust me, I've loved going onto YouTube and looking at a firearm when you take a side plate off, you take a shotgun or a rifle apart, and some part falls out, and you go, wow, wonder what that was. And it's nice to be able to figure out where they went to. So if on any of the firearms that you've seen on my channel and you need a little more information on it, just ask. I'll be more than happy to try to help you out. That's what we're all here for, trying to help each other out and enjoy firearms. Okay, trying to get some close-ups here. You can see a little bit of light rust there on the receiver. Little bit on the top, not bad. A little bit on the barrel. Got just some small nicks and gouges in the wood. This is a well-loved shotgun, but as you can tell, the checkering is still good on it. Now, I'm wondering if the stock has been replaced. The forend looks good, but I noticed there is no checkering on the stock. Now, some of these were prone to splitting, so someone may have replaced it. You can see there's also some cracks in the spacer plate there, so we may have to replace that. And other than that, the gun is in good shape. And, well, we'll start disassembling it and see what we got. We'll get it cleaned up and start getting her cleaned up and prettied up. Okay, now when I started disassembly, found something really fun here. It's the tube that normally holds the bolt return spring, and it's supposed to be attached. And, well, don't know if you can see in there, but yeah, it's kind of broken off. This is pretty rusty here where it was in the stock. But as you can tell, there's only half a hole there. So I'm going to have to see if I can find a replacement for that. We can go from there. But you never know what you're going to get when you start taking apart these old guns, and I'm sure we can probably find a part somewhere. I'll see if I can get the rest of this out of there and then see if I can source a new tube for this one. And hopefully we can find one and make it work right. Okay, so we got it all stripped down. Got the receiver taken all apart. And all taken down. Now, I wish the action spring tube had not been broken, but we will figure out a way. Now, I did get the rust off of it and see if I get a replacement. If I can't get the little tailpiece out of here that is stuck inside of the tang here, I will have to have this brazed back on. But the rest of it all came apart, got the trigger group out. We'll get it all cleaned and re-lubricated and good to go. lifter for the cartridge. It's definitely been there. You got to imagine this gun was made around 1918, so it's been around a while. Charging handle. I blew the end of it, but that definitely needs to be cleaned and be polished. And then the bolt group, bolt lock and everything. Get it all taken apart. It's even got the old square firing pin. So, but it's all together, so we're good. It even has the wooden end in the action guide spring. And then it was kind of interesting that at the end of the magazine tube, this is the little keeper, and they had used a cap that had a hole in it. It was set up to have a swivel in it, and to block that off, they wisely used a penny, which turned out good. So, be about time to get the stock. It's kind of unique is that there is a number stamped here into the stock, the butt stock, and it matches the exact same serial number as the shotgun. I'm kind of suspect on the front wood here because it is checkered and the stock is not. So I wonder if this got replaced at some point, but it's got its metal pieces still in the end there. We'll get it cleaned up. And it's got little chips in it. We'll get those sanded the best we can. I don't want to damage the checkering. We'll be careful around the checkering and get some oil on it. And, well, as you can see, I got little bags with parts and screws and everything else in them. So I remember where everything goes and get everything back where it belongs. And we'll start working on it here in a couple of days and hopefully get it back together. I did order a new tube here. It should come next week. We will try few different things to try to get this out of here before we go in and see if we can have someone braze that. So, yep, we'll just keep plugging along.